Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with an awesome full body workout. All right, we got arms, we got core, we got legs, and even a little balancing. All right, it's gonna be great. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so we will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through what we're doing as I do it with you, a little bit of a warm-up demo, and then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We go straight through the routine. Starting with our first exercise, we have an IYT. All right, I'm ready to put 30 seconds on the clock. So looks as it sounds: I, Y, and then T. All right, now you can do this bent over. This is my preferred way of doing it. So I, Y, T. This activates your back and your core a little bit more. If not, you can go ahead and do it standing. All right, like so, making sure you squeeze your back every time your arms come up into that position. All right, and there you have it, IYT. But like I said, making sure you have a nice straight back. Breathing, engaged core, very good. And 3, 2, 1, finish out where you're at. And there we have it, very good, shake it out. Next we have an open close twist. So it's a different take on a torso twist. All right, so stance, open, and then close. So open, close. Really making sure you twist your torso on that close, and make sure that you keep your hips squared forward as much as possible. So we're isolating our torso, all right? Twist, this tries to stay forward as this twist, very good. Breathing, you can sync up your breath with the movement. So open, breathe in, close, exhale. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out, very good. Next we have a sumo squat side reach, so wide stance, toes outwards, come in that sumo squat. All right, and we're gonna be doing an overhead side reach. So arms out and then reach, center, reach, very good. Making sure those knees are going out to the side and not forward, all right? You wanna roll your legs backwards as much as possible. And if you feel like you are sinking, they are going forward a little bit, maybe come up, not go so deep, all right? But proper form is so much more important than, how deep you are in that squat. Very good. Breathing, straight back, chest is up, shoulders are pushed away from the ears. Awesome job. Ooh, feeling it in the legs here, the core. We're working our arms, everything. Very good. Big breaths, big breaths. Awesome job. If you need to come up a little bit and rest and then go back down, that's more than fine as well. And 3, 2, 1, and coming up. Very, very good. Next, last but not least, we have a tiptoe walk. This one's really, really fun. All right, so you're gonna go up on your toes, calf raise, and then you're gonna tiptoe walk. This is great for your calves, and this is the balancing exercise that I told you about. All right, you can even practice going backwards a little bit, backwards and forwards, or if you need to, just go forwards and then turn it around. If you need to take just, a few steps and then come down, go back up, a few steps. All right, you can play around with this one, make it fit what you need, all right? And 3, 2, 1, very, very good. And that was it, our full body workout, set 1, great job. Grab water, breathe, and then we're gonna do it again.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.
Alrighty, set number 2. You already know what to do, so I zip it. We just go straight through the routine. Starting with our IYT arms in position, big breath, 30 seconds, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Coming up and shake it out. Very good. Big breath, open, close, twist. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Center. Very good. Shake it out. Wide stance, sumo squat, side reaches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Center, come up. Big breath. And finishing with our tiptoe walk. Up, and let's go. Pretend high heels. Fierce, fierce. Down the runway. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Awesome job. Round of applause. 2 sets done, dusted. Take that second, get that water, grab your breath, catch your breath, and we're gonna finish it with set 3. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Coming up and shake it out. Very good. Big breath, open, close, twist. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Center. Very good. Shake it out. Wide stance, sumo squat, side reaches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Center, come up. Big breath. And finishing with our tiptoe walk. Up, and let's go. Pretend high heels. Fierce, fierce. Down the runway. and 3, 2, 1. Very good. Awesome job. Round of applause. Alrighty, that was it. Awesome job. 3 sets of your full body workout. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And if you haven't already, click that bell. Subscribe. Show us some love. All right, that little bell, what it does, it tells you when we post something so you don't miss out on anything, because we got recipes, workouts, and even challenges, all right? So I hope to see you on the next one.